Our company has 9S management system, including technical consult, pre-design, material preparation, process, assemble, quality control, packing and delivery, commission service, technology upgrade. We manufacture steel wire mesh machinery, including chicken cage mesh welding machine, 3D fence mesh machine, anti-climb fence machine, reinforcing mesh welding machine, electric welded wire mesh machine, hexagonal mesh machine, fully automatic chain link fence machine, pneumatic mesh welding machine, expanded metal mesh machine. We cooperated with famous brands including Panasonic, Siemens, ABB, Delta. Each year we sold more than 500 sets of machinery around the world. Engineers and commission teams discuss machinery designs every month. Customers appreciate our machinery quality and mostly plan to further cooperation. Our company avenue is gradually increased much. Our sales and engineer teams has more than 30 years experience. Our goal is to develop advanced wire mesh technology. Pre-sale teams are able to give technical consultant. Design engineer can give your machine improvement suggestion. Production engineers assure you of machine quality. After-sale engineers can start up machinery and train your workers in your factory.